Come, sit thee down upon this flowery bed, while I thy amiable cheeks do coy, and stick musk roses in thy sleek smooth head, and kiss thy fair large ears, my gentle joy.
Where's Peace Blossom?
Ready.
Scratch my head, Peace Blossom. Oh, good monsieur, get you your weapons in your hand and kill me a red-hipped humblebee on top of the thistle. And good monsieur, bring me the honey bag. And good monsieur, have a care the honey bag break not. Where's Monsieur Mustard Seed?
Ready.
Give me your knife, Monsieur Mustard Seed. Pray you leave your courtesy, good monsieur.
What is your will?
Nothing, good monsieur, but to help Monsieur Peace Blossom to scratch. I must to the barber's, monsieur, for methinks I am marvelously hairy about the face. I'm such a tender ass if my hair do but tickle me. I must scratch.
What, wilt thou hear some music, my sweet love?
I have a reasonable, good ear and music. Let's have the tongues and bones.
Or say, sweet love, what thou desirest to eat.
I could munch on your good dry oats. Methinks I have great desire to a good bottle of hay. Good hay. Sweet hay. I have no fellow.
I have a venturous fairy that shall seek the squirrel's hoard and fetch the new nuts.
I had I'd rather have a handful of or two of dried peas. Yeah, peas. But I pray you, let none of your people stir me. I have an disposition of sleep come upon me.
Sleep thou, and I will wind thee in my arms. Fairies be gone, and be always away. So doth the woodbine the sweet honeysuckle gently entwist, the female ivy so enrings the barky fingers of the elm. Oh, how I love thee, how I dote on thee.
Welcome, good Robin. Seest thou this sweet sight? The dotage now I do begin to pity. When I had at my pleasure taunted them, and they in mild terms begged my patience, I then did ask of them their changeling child, which straight they gave me, and their fairy sent to bear him to my bower in fairyland. And now I have the boy, I will undo this hateful imperfection of their eyes. And, gentle Puck, take this transformed scalp from off the head of this Athenian swain, that they, awakening when the other do, may all to Athens back again repair, and think no more of this night's accidents as but the fierce vexation of a dream. But first, I will release the fairy queen. Be as thou wast wont to be, seest thou wast wont to see. Now, my Titania, wake you, my sweet queen.
My, Oberon, what visions have I seen? Methought I was enamored of an ass.
There lies your love.
How came these things to pass? Oh, how mine eyes do loathe his visage now.
Silence a while. Robin, clean off this head. Titania, music call and strike more dead than common sleep of all these 5%.
Music, oh, music, such as charmeth sleep.
Now, when thou wakest, with thine own fool's eyes peep.
Sound, music, come, my love, take hands with me and rock the ground whereon these sleepers be. Now, thou and I are new in amity, and will tomorrow midnight solemnly dance in Duke Theseus's house triumphantly, and bless it to all fair prosperity. There shall be the pairs of faithful lovers be wedded with Theseus in all jollity.
Fairy King, attend and mock. I do hear the morning lark.
Then, my love, in silence sad, trip we after the night's shade.
Come, my lord, and in our flight tell me how it came this night, that I sleeping here was found with these mortals on the ground.
Go, one of you, find out the forester, for now our observation is performed. And since we have the vanguard of the day, we will, fair queen, up to the mountain's top and mark the musical confusion of hounds and echo in conjunction.
I was with Hercules and Cadmus once, when in a wood of Crete they bade the bear with hounds of Sparta. Never did I hear such gallant chiding. I never heard so musical a discord, such sweet thunder.
My hounds are bred out of the Spartan kind, slow in pursuit, but matched in mouth like bells, each under each. But soft, what nymphs are these?
My lord, this is my daughter here asleep. And this, Lysander. This Demetrius is. This Helena, old Netter's Helena. I wonder of their being here together.
No doubt they rose up early to observe the rite of May, and hearing our intent, came in grace of our solemnity. But speak, Aegeus. Is not this the day that Hermia should give answer of her choice?
It is, my lord.
Go, bid the huntsmen wake them with their horns. Friends, Saint Valentine is past. Begin these woodbirds but to couple now?
Pardon, my lord.
I pray you all stand up. I know you two are rival enemies. How comes this gentle concord in the world that hatred is so far from jealousy to sleep by hate and fear no enmity?
My lord, I shall reply amazedly. I came with Hermia hither. Our intent was to be gone from Athens, where we might, without the peril of the Athenian law.
Enough! Enough, my lord! You have enough. I beg the law upon her head. They would have stolen away. They would, Demetrius, thereby to have defeated you and me.
My lord, fair Helen told me of their stealth, of this, their purpose hither to this wood, and I, in fury, hither followed them. Fair Helena in fancy following me, but My good lord, I wot not by what power. The object and the pleasure of mine eye is only Helena. To him, my lord, as I betrothed, there I saw Hermia.
Fair lovers, you are fortunately met. This discourse we more will hear anon. Aegeus, I will overbear your will, for in the temple by and by with us, these couples shall eternally be knit. Away with us to Athens, 3 and 3 will hold a feast in great solemnity. Come, Hippolyta.
These things seem small and undistinguishable.
Methinks I see things with the parted eye when everything seems double.
So methinks. And I have found Demetrius like a jewel, mine own and not mine own.
Are you sure that we are awake? It seems to me that yet we sleep, we dream. Do not you think the Duke was here and bid us follow him?
Yea, and my father.
And Hippolyta.
And he did bid us follow to the temple.
Why then we are awake. Let's follow him, and by the way, let us recount our dreams.
When my cue comes, call me and I will answer. Hi-ho! Woo. What the? Peter Quince? Flute the bellows mender. Snout the tinker. Starling? God's my life stolen hence and left me asleep. I have had a most rare vision. Methought I had. And methought I was. Man is but a patched fool, if he will offer to say what methought I had. The eye of man hath not heard, the ears of man hath not seen, man's hand is not able to taste, his tongue to conceive, nor his heart to report what my dream was. I will get Peter Quince to write a ballad of this dream. It shall be called No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. It just doesn't have the right. It will be called Bottom's Dream, for it hath no bottom. And I will sing it in the latter end of the play, before the Duke. Oh,